This video shows you how to set up your new printer. Remove the packing material. Remove the tray. Flex, fan, and align the paper edges before loading the stack to avoid paper jams. Adjust the paper guides to match the size of the paper that you are loading. Make sure that the stack height is below the maximum paper fill indicator. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. Select the display language and your country or region, and then swipe left. For enhanced security, you can set up an admin account on your printer. If you do not want to set up an admin user account, then touch Setup later. You can set up the printer using the Lexmark Mobile Assistant mobile app. Touch No to set up later. Touch Setup later to configure fax and email settings later. You can set up fax and email settings using the Settings menu when you are ready. Depending on your location, you can choose to send printer usage and performance information to Lexmark anonymously. Information such as number of pages printed, toner levels, device errors, and metrics help Lexmark improve device performance and enable better service. Swipe left. Connection to Lexmark Cloud Services is enabled automatically. You can disable this setting anytime. Touch OK. You can connect your printer to a wireless network. Touch Setup on Printer panel. Select a wireless network, and then enter the password. You have successfully connected to a wireless network. Touch OK. Touch Confirm and launch. Download and install the recommended driver. Go to lexmark.com, drivers, and then search for your printer model. The printer is now ready to use.